Our search is powered by a proprietary algorithm, Jgram. Jgram works in 3 steps: matching, scoring, highlighting. In the first step, your input is searched against our data. Jgram finds the most relevant results, provides them with a score, and highlights the most relevant part of the card. Here I search the name, but if I search an ID, Jgram would find, score, and highlight that. The score is adjustable and can be moved from 100 to 50. We solve for 4 key items with Jgram. The first is false positives. We reduce the noise and only show you relevant results. The second item is gluing. Here we took a name and squished all the parts of it, and you still got a score of 84. If we lower the threshold to 50, you get 0 additional false positives. Now, another case we solve for is reversal. Here, I have a score of 89, even though we reversed and squished parts of the name. And finally, we solve for punctuation. In this example, we remove 7 items of punctuation from the sanction name and still have a score of 90.